Okay, guys, we're sitting up on the wall now, but I just want to show you all the geese. Of course, they come over here when we go up to the wall.
Look, there's Nina down there.
Nina.
What you doing?
There's Nina.
Hi, Nina.
Nina. Oh, she knows her name. Hear her talking?
Yeah.
Where's her brother? Oh, in the water.
He's sleeping.
Nina. It's so sweet she knows her name. Okay, let me see the eagle from up here. Alright, where are you at, eagle? I can't see her.
What you doing, Tiger?
Oh, right there.
What you doing, Tiger?
Okay. She's right there, guys. Oops. In the middle. Okay. And then we got these geeseys and duckies. Very cool. All the geese over here. This is where, right there, that rock is what I always sit on. Oh, they're still over there waiting. Yeah, what is going on? He's calling.
Yep.
The eagle's yelling. Why is he calling? Is there another something around?
I don't see anything.